God, it sounds like a swarm of locusts. Behind the scenes at the Resident Evil Killer Comic Wall. Next to the Strat, that's a tall building. So this is actually like being backstage. I think tonight's show, last week was 400 codes. This time it's 285. I only have 2 drones. I think I need a few hundred more. Oh my god, that's cool. Pew, pew, pew. It looks a lot different over here. So it even changes between shows. I thought it changed from week to week, but it actually changed from the first show. It's not going to be all that good from this angle, but you get the point.